Hello guys, we're going to get started with foundations today. I'm going to say the letters and the sounds. I want you to repeat after me, okay? V van v, W wind w, B bat b, C cat k, M man m, A apple a, R rat L lamp l, E ed e, U up J jug j, T top t, D dog d, P pan p, Y yellow ya, X fox x, K kite k, Z zebra z, F fun f, N nut n, O octopus ah, G game g, S snakes, Q u queen qu, H hat h, C k sock k, T h thumb th, W h whistle w, C h chin ch, S h ship sh. Okay, so we have learned a couple of new things recently. We learned about ALL, ball, all, right? We learned about this glued sound that comes all together. Let me get the sound card for that one. ALL, ball, all, okay? So this is a glued sound, right? This sound comes all together, kind of like a package deal, okay? So we are going to make a word today, a couple of words today, using that glued sound. If you have a piece of paper with you, a pencil, if you have the whiteboard that I copied for you a long time ago, if you still have it, you can use it now. If you don't, that's totally fine. You could just use a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay, so for our word of the day, it is call, okay? So all, call. We see this glued sound right here. So if we were to tap out the word, we would go all, call, right? All right, so let's put a different word, a different letter in front of it. All, ball. You can write these on your piece of paper if you have a piece of paper to help you remember them. Let's tap out this word. All, fall. And we will do one more. All, tall, okay? So that is the sound A-L-L, ball, all. And all, we should have our mouth kind of like this when we say all, okay? All right, guys, that is it for your foundations today. Practice your sight words, and I will see you guys soon.